Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to fix black screen video on Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to fix black screen videos on Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly open Chrome browser, type here Chrome, / flex, / click on enter, type here hardware, accelerated video record. Click on this drop and click on disable. After click on relaunch. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix black screen video on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.